Hello and welcome back, and let's start assembly. So this is the side panel. We have a rough edge and a smooth edge. The smooth edge is going to be obviously the one facing outwards. So the first thing I want to do is put the shaft brackets in. Got two. So there's a bracket and they just slot through like that and clip in. I think it's easier doing this when you're starting it off rather than doing it when it's assembled. So that's the one side. Okay, let's get a back panel. So with this one I'm going to put the rough side on the outside and the smooth side on the inside. Hammer them in. Right, what I'm doing is to make these two more stable, I've got to put a base on because they'll keep popping out otherwise. So the rough end will go on the underside. So let's pop that in. Hammer it in. Hammer it in. Do this one. All makes sense once you start doing it. Of the camera's not very good. screw again. Finger in. That's it. Right, so there's the first one, and now we're going to insert a shelfie. So it's the same panel as your back panel. So the roof is going to be face downwards, and then it clips onto these shelves at the back. So you can see that there gap down there is a bit wide, so that needs to be hammered in a bit. Same goes for that, so it should be nice and tight. See the back there, nice and tight. Anything that's loose, you can hammer it in as you go along. And that just goes in like that, clips in. That needs to be turned to the side. One, two. Smooth side will go on the inside, bottom facing the bottom, and like that. So I'll continue making all this up, and I'll come back. One side now complete. So now basically what I've got to do is attach the next side onto that. So this is the end product. I'll pop them on, little doors, but I've left the 2 doors off the bottom because they're a bit low. So yeah,